Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. It's been a while. Hope you've had a nice relaxing Christmas break for everyone. It's a wonderful time to be with the family and just completely unwind and forget about crypto. So today's video talk about Verasity. Finally they've issued a real solid update on their plans for 2025. We're actually going to get the official roadmap sometime in January or February. However, they've given some great insights into their plan. Now, I know, as I said many times before, there's no project caused more divide than Verasity from what I see. Okay, I think it's absolutely crazy what this project does, how there's such a huge community. There's also a lot of FUD as well. However, I still strongly believe in the project. It's my number 4 holding now, purely because the price hasn't really done much, as it back in literally February, March this year, we went up to 1 cent, but been way below what we are now. And even today, we're down 9%. Okay, so you've got to look at the screen, 0.003, market cap is just £33 million. I still think it's going to have a wonderful 2025. I truly do believe that. Only time will tell. They do need to sort out the POV tokens. The update they've given, I'm going to go through in stage by stage. Again, I wish they'd done it a couple of months ago. And I've said many times, I won't mention this again. It'd be nice if they did some regular AMAs. However, moving forward, you see this wonderful post on X, VeraWallet 2.0 release for all users. So what they're doing is a recap, basically, of 2024. So go through each section. Now, they state there, major overhaul to our wallet offering. We shipped the 2nd generation of VeraWallet. The 2.0 update transforms VeraWallet from a basic storage solution, which what it was, we could do some basic staking, to what it is now. Now, I think it's actually much better since the upgrade. Okay, the most simple and secure way to store and manage your tokens. Now, they haven't finished yet, because soon you can be able to do fiat deposits to get your VRA. Now, I'm not sure that'll be here in the UK, because they've stopped people joining from the UK. You literally only option is use VPN. However, because I was already in a VeraWallet account holder, I can still use it and still do the staking. Now, who knows if they're going to carry on with the staking? Personally, I didn't think it was going to get this year, so it is. This year's been a bonus. Now, I'm getting a nice solid bag of VRA daily. And obviously, I want to get the staking to continue. However, we hopefully will find out if that's going to carry into April, May, and beyond the rest of the year. Hopefully, they'll let us know in the next month or so. I see on the screen what the VR price is. The VeraWallet users up to 350,000 now. We put security first, which is obviously extremely important. And it's in the press a lot more. And quite often, it's one of the most tweeted about altcoins, would you believe? Quite often, it's in the top 5. And literally a couple of weeks ago, it was number 1. So again, it causes so much conversation. It's actually unbelievable. Now, they're a rapidly growing community. They've had a lot of news this year. Okay. Now, you see there, you can look at their community alone, 30,000 on Telegram. Okay. 20,000 on Reddit, 273,000 on X. Okay. So going back to this article, it talks there about the wallet. And again, it basically had that link from 3rd December when it officially went live. Okay. And I say using your VeraWallet, I actually think is much better than the original one. But it's great they can deposit fiat and get your VRA. It'd be nice if you could also do it the other way, sell your VRA to your bank. However, I'm not sure that will ever happen. Who knows? But there's obviously many other ways to do that. I have my own ways of doing it. Everyone's got their own ways when they take profits, for example. If you want help, obviously just contact me. Okay. Moving forward, again, there's so much on this article. It's great to see. As I said, it really was overdue. Okay, and it talks there about the VeraWallet again, major improvement of communications with VeraWallet. We're currently beta testing notification center for VeraWallet, set to launch in first quarter 2025 as one of the first major additions. So even though VeraWallet 2.0 is issued, I say we haven't got the fiat deposit yet, but also there's other parts of it. Basically, so they're going to allow all these different major additions. Okay, and so that'll be time will tell. So I think VeraWallet 2.0 in the first quarter and beyond will be absolutely fantastic. Section 2 is other milestones. Now, this again, it causes so much discussion. It's about the POV burn. And again, it's a shame it hasn't been finalised in the 4th quarter of this year. Okay, basically, we've separated. So if you actually go on Coin Market Cap, I know we spoke about this many times before. You can see there the max supply. Okay, the circulating supply. However, 90 billion is going on separate blockchain with Tron. That's where the POV token's going, 90 billion. So once they've gone, you'll see how limited supply of VRA, the Veracity token VRA built on Ethereum, will actually be left. And they're still doing the burns. Okay, so the POV token, as part of our ongoing burn phase in our planned migration roadmap, we've permanently removed 2 billion POV tokens from the VRA ERC 777. These burns, executing discretionary batches, will continue until all POV tokens are phased out and migrated to our future Tron network contract. Okay, so again, they've already just burned 2 billion. Okay, so that's absolutely incredible. Okay, that really is. That's the POV token side. Okay, again, they talked about the fact this year, we mentioned it before, they went to the Binance Blockchain Week Dubai 2024. Obviously, one day, hopefully, we'll get on Binance. It'll do one for the projects again. There's always ongoing. There's a lot of fake posts recently. It was going to get launched just before Christmas. That was totally fake. We haven't heard anything officially from Binance. This is what you got to do. So the fact they attended this Binance Blockchain Week in Dubai again was fantastic. So again, hopefully one day it'll be on there. Okay. Again, they talk about their growing community, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Okay. Now, talked about the Veraviews website refresh. Now, again, this is another part of their ecosystem, which is absolutely fantastic to see. Received a sleek interface upgrade. Now, again, they're getting some wonderful partnerships as well, which I like. Okay, and it talks there about on the site about the publishers for the advertisers and everything to make your adverts genuine to real people, not just robots. Again, I just want to sort of break from Verasity. So I just want to say, you can see on the screen, it's actually a sponsored video. Now, literally before Christmas, I've done a video about YAI. Okay, and they love the video. They've actually decided to sponsor a couple of videos to give the updates on YAI, because again, I really did like this project and they like the video. So moving forward, we're just going to give some brief updates, but they decided to sponsor this video. So again, it's much appreciated. Now, spoke about the previous video. Now, I will put a link below for that previous video on YAI. Do check it out. A wonderful gem in the making. But they've literally just launched, this was literally just before Christmas, version 4 introduces several unique features and updates. Now, when I've done the video, we spoke about their dashboard, etc., but version 4 was just literally being launched. Now, dashboard free and premium release. So before we spoke about the dashboard, you can see here, basically to get access, you can see my wallet here, you have to have 50,000 YI to get onto their dashboard. Now this, please reference the previous video, covers everything you need to know, like a one-stop shop to researching any project to see where it's going, and you get insights to where it's going. They analyze the whole market, not just the trading side of it, but how the project's doing on the social media, updates, roadmaps, everything. They bring everything together in one to make it easier for you instead of doing endless research. Really is a wonderful dashboard, and the fact they've done this version 4 update is absolutely fantastic. Talks about 5 new tracked assets, utilize our models to predict XRP, Dodge, Link, DOT, and ADA. Okay, so again, that's absolutely fantastic. So do check that out. Do check the previous video. Again, appreciate them sponsoring this video. Now, going back to VeraWallet. So 2.5 ApeFlix adopts Veraviews. This is what we want to see, the constant updates of new partnerships. This is absolutely imperative. Now, I have found that recently they're giving a lot of partnership announcements. There's a lot of investment coming their way. It states there, 7 more than 150,000 users, ApeFlix will upgrade its existing video infrastructure by adopting the Veraviews video. Now, again, we talk about the VRA token. When you think 90 billion is going to Tron, so forget about those. The remaining VRA tokens will become scarce, and they still burn them as well every quarter. So again, when people talk about the price, it's never financial advice. Always state that. Do your own research. Me personally, I can see the VRA token becoming very scarce. Hence, you'll get reflection in the price, hopefully. Okay, states there, went on TikTok, which is great to see, more social visibility. Eclipse adopts Veraviews, and this is what I want to see. Hopefully, going in the first quarter next year, the constant updates of new people adopting Veraviews. As companies understand what Veraviews is, naturally people are going to jump on board. Okay, following a productive meeting for Eclipse Day 1 at a WebEx 2024 booth in Japan, we identified a wide range of synergies and excited to announce our partnership with this gaming-focused L1. Eclipse will adopt the Veraviews video player. So again, wonderful news. Talks here about VRA list on Bitvarvo, a massive exchange in the Netherlands. So again, that's good news. Veraviews AI agents building on groundbreaking initiative. We launched out the UAE. That was the big news. Basically getting adopted within the UAE. Okay, Veraviews integrated AI's on-demand platform to enhance ad fraud detection using tailored AI agents. Together, we're delivering unparalleled transparency to the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC. This was big news at the time. I remember this. So it's nice to give us an overview of everything they've done this year. Coins Telegram adopts Veraviews. Yet another one. VRA perps on Kraken. Again, you want to see the future trading on Kraken, one of the biggest exchanges out there. And again, it talks about all the different news articles they've been on. And again, it talks about looking ahead. Verasity and Veraviews are poised for one of the strongest years in our history. Now, bear in mind this project's been around for over 7 years now. It's great to see. In our history, with a clear focus achieving mass adoption, launching new products and services, and delivering meaningful utility. Okay, they're actively onboarding fresh talent, which is great to see. Recruiting the UAE Next Gen initiative is just beginning our expansion in the UAE, which will become apparent by the end of the first quarter 2025. With pre-budgeted marketing operations strategy in Arsenal, we're set to simplify brand awareness across both Web 2 and Web 3. Okay, now again, this is what I said earlier, they're going to finalise the 2025 roadmap, and they put that publicly in January, February. Migration FAQs, and this is something I said, it'd be great if we had more updates on this. Okay, and it talks here. Verasity remains firmly committed to delivering its vision for Veracity 2.0, a future-forward suite of blockchain-powered solutions and tools designed to address some of the most pressing challenges in the advertising industry. Okay, while the POV token launch on Tron mainnet is anticipated for the second quarter 2025, that's a bit disappointing because, again, originally it was planned for this quarter where it literally come the end of 2024. We will only provide a fixed date range once all third-party interventions and cross-functional integrations are completed. This approach ensures the ecosystem build remains robust. So again, we have to wait for the actual POV. So again, it goes through there. Migration is advanced phase with the Tron ecosystem smart contract completed. We're now evaluating onboarding external auditors. Is there a timeline? Again, second quarter. Why is it taking so long? The technical elements of the migration are on track for completion this year, paving the way for production in 2025. The Tron contract is finalised. External orders are being onboarded. So are there plans to increase the amount of frequency? Yes, we're increasing the frequency scale of POV ETH burn. So far, 3 billion tokens in burn, significantly ahead of the original 2025 schedule. Okay, so this is quite a big news article they've done here. What goes in there about the amount of each POV ETH burn is determined based on several key factors, and they talk about it more in depth there. People are really pushing. This is the stuff you want to know about. Okay, so I think it's imperative they do more of these solid updates. Okay. Again, it goes why they're doing it. We've spoken about it many times before. Why we have these two basic blockchains for the VRA. POV is completely separate from the VRA and to do with their sort of ecosystem, nothing to do with what will be on exchanges, for example. Okay, there's a lot of information here. So, me personally, we've also mentioned this before, we're hoping to get an airdrop of POV tokens representing what's in your VeraWallet. They've already said that. So, again, that could be massive to get a nice, solid airdrop. Now, this is obviously important for myself and other people based in the UK. UK VeraWallet users are included in the airdrop eligibility. We deeply value our UK community and actively exploring opportunities to welcome back new users in the UK jurisdiction ahead of schedule. So this is good. They're hoping to welcome back UK users early as first quarter or second quarter. That, again, is absolutely imperative. So their closing statement, at Veracity, we stand by a commitment to transparency, progress, and building a robust ecosystem through Veracity 2.0. However, we do not condone or welcome the spread of misinformation. Yes, however, more updates would be much helpful, wouldn't they? Let's be honest. Let's be completely honest and transparent. As a private company, Veracity will continue to act in the best interest of our business, our clients, and our partners. Every step we take from tokenomics to product development is designed to ensure long-term success. As I said before, 2025 is going to be absolutely massive year. It truly is. Now, if you go back beyond the update, literally just before Christmas, and join the weekend community, more coming, stronger than ever. So there's more news. And all you're getting is basically these updates of new people joining, which we mentioned in that previous article. So again, I like to see these constant updates, more people, more companies join up and becoming partnerships. It's absolutely imperative. So just want to give an update on Veracity. I say it's very hard to stay bullish with so much negativity out there. However, I strongly do believe in Veracity, and I can't ignore the FUD. I kind of do my own research and not rely on other people. So thanks very much. Hope everyone has a further relaxing time. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.